This
Very good
meeting is
morning.
being recorded.
Very good morning. This is Chandra Kumar. I'm your DPM, uh, taking care of this Capgemini requirement currently. We have very less participants now, but this will be eligible for all the candidates who are 2024 pass outs and who are from degree. But anybody can join this meeting because we are also going to create the superset account. Maybe in future, in 1 week or 10 weeks, you may be able to get another requirement from Capgemini. Like last time, we have received for one of the requirement for mails also. So there could be a chance. So anybody who wanted to create their the Capgemini Superset account can stay here. And apart from that, we'll also discuss about the current requirement, what we have from the Capgemini. Let me share my screen here. Am I audible to you? Please, can you give me a cross confirmation from your end so that no, that should be.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you
Yes,
very
sir.
much. Just sharing my screen now. I think I'm able to share my screen. Let me go to the information which I have passed. Okay. So you can see this is a company which is from Capgemini. The job title here is called Software Associate. Anybody interested in this role can do this particular activities. You need to go with this particular WhatsApp group. All the information will be updated in this WhatsApp group only. Why? Because there are some positions which are more about 150. So if there are 150 positions, I do not know, like 1,000 people may apply, or 500 people may apply. So we cannot call them at any time. So we are creating this WhatsApp group to inform that information will be shared in this group so that you can have the information on spot. And then whoever is willing to, who is eligible and willing to take up, need to go for this particular form. So all the information will be discussed in this form. Just let me go to the form here. Well, if you go for a form, then you can get the information in this way. Okay. I just gave the meeting link. The meeting will be on 7th and 8th. On 7th, we are going to discuss about the Superset account. On 8th, whoever is having any queries regarding the creation or any other information, we will able to take the query session. So only on 8th, we are only talking about the query session. So meeting link already given. The password is also given. As a step, all the updates will be shared in the WhatsApp group only regarding online interview, online exam and everything. Okay. So the deadline for this accepting this applications is 9th April by 1 p.m. in the Google form. So where is the Google form? If you just click this Google form, then you will be able to you need to go for down to fill the detail which are in the bottom. Okay, due to some problem here, there is some gaps which is found, but we cannot remove as per the Google standards. So first of all, learners should have their own superset account. So if you do not have superset account, you need to create here. I think everybody from their college days or any other, college activity or something like that, they would have created their super account. If their superset account is already existing, you can use that superset account. Okay. If you do not have, if you are creating new one, then you need to go for this link. Then you need to go for a superset creation. Okay. When you go for this first page, you will be getting in this way. Then you need to go for get started, and then you need to select students. Okay, you will get this page, and then you need to go for students and for students. After going for student, then you need to go for sign up now. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so now what I'm trying to do is like you need to go for start registering here. Okay, so when you go for start registering, the first details you have got it here is full name. Just fill as per your Aadhaar card, either Aadhaar card or PAN card. So whatever name is there in the Aadhaar card, you fill in this particular way only. Date of birth, you please select and fill it. and male or female or any other. So you need to search for the college name. If you cannot able to search the college name, then you need to go for raising a ticket, okay, or put any college, college name and then go ahead, okay. Then after that, you need to go for save and proceed. Then you will go for the next details called contact details. In the contact details, it will ask your email ID, it will ask your phone number, it will ask your address and everything. Please enter the other details also. As I do not have the details, I'm not going for in forward next. Okay, current and most recent education. So your 10th class marks you need to update with all the percentages. If your percentage is 65.5, just update 65.5 only. Do not update at 60.6 or 66 also or 65 also. Whatever is there in your current percentages, you please enter it and you cannot change it later on. If you are doing your inter also please enter in that way. This is a qualification for degree. So if you are pursuing any MCA or MBA or MSc or anything else, please do not update because this is a requirement for only 2024. So if you are updating as MCA pursuing, then you will not be getting any other opportunity which are under degree. So only MCA consideration will be done for that particular case. So please be careful when you are updating this. Once you update, you cannot roll back also because you updated MCA, but the requirement has got for degree. Then your degree is matching, but your MCA is not matching. Then your requirement will not go ahead. So please be careful here that when you are updating and all the semester mark sheets and everything should be ready to keep it on the platform to admit it. Okay. If you have any internships also, please update the internships, any photo profile and everything is done here. Once you created, you will go for save and proceed. Then your user ID will be your email ID and password will be given in this particular details. That password you need to keep, held. Then you'll be getting a verification to your email ID. Then you verify it. By that way, you can create your Superset account. I think you're okay that how to create a Superset account. Okay, after creating the Superset account, you will be getting Superset ID, which will be around 6 to 7 digit, which will be a number that is the main key for that particular Superset ID. Okay, please try to create this Superset account only in laptop. Why? Because you need to update some documents, you need to update something. So page will not be visible if you are doing in your phone. You can able to do it on your phone, but laptop or any desktop will help you more, good. You'll not be making any mistakes while doing your Superset registrations. Okay, now super registration is done. Okay, once Superset registration is done, then you know how to log in and everything. So anybody in this meeting have their Superset account? Can you raise their hand so that now I can cross check and I can give you access so that you can show your Superset account. Okay, Josna is having. Josna, I'll give you permission for presenter. Just share your screen and show me that how to log in after creating the Superset account. Please log in into your Superset account.
But I'm using mobile phone, not in
No
laptop.
problem, no problem. You can go into a mobile phone also. Share your screen and then go to your Superset account. How you will able to go there? Shall I share this link in the chat window? You so that now you can directly click from here. I'm just sharing you the link in this chat window. Where is the chat window here? Yes, I'm just going for the chat window. Just share your screen now, please. It will take second, 2 seconds. Yeah. So you everybody can check it here. She need to go for a browser. She need to put the link there. I'm just sharing the link. Where is the chat window here? Baba? Chat. Okay, I gave you link here. You can use this link, copy and paste. Just check in your chat window. I gave you a link. Just check in the chat window. Just copy and paste that link. Yes. So she has her account now. So when she has account, then she need to go for sign in. So just go how to check in the sign in. Yeah, she's going for sign in now. So if you need any help on the top, you have now there. Yeah, this is the user ID and password. She has already saved it. That's not a problem now. Yeah, I think you have to give your password again. Yes, when you go for login, then you will be getting this screen. Okay, so here you can see superset ID 4394471 So this is a superset ID. Okay, ID means number. Superset email ID means you will have the email ID whichever you are logging in. So this is the main details you need to have. Then go for then whenever you get any requirement, go for the main page. Go for the main page, not into the profile. Go to the main page there only. Where you see that all the openings will be coming, na? Just check, you'll be not profile, Baba. Go see, click on that symbol on the blue color on the top beside profile. Beside profile, you have a symbol, right? Blue color and red lines beside profile. Ah, yes. This is what deadline for applications. Yes, you can see the applications will come in that this way, or you can go here also on the go to home in the bottom. In the bottom, you have home, right? In the bottom, you have home. Here in the home, in the bottom, first one. In the bottom, you have first one. Home. Manor dekho, dekho. Naveen, Naveen. Yeah, go to home. Then, then you can see all the requirements will be coming here. So just check, and if you are eligible for these requirements, then you need to go for and apply for there. Okay. Yeah. So thank you for your help. So I'm just roll back the screen. So now everybody got how to create a Superset account, and everybody has got how to log into Superset account. Okay. Yeah. The next one is let me share my screen again. I'll just go to the requirement which we have currently. Yes. Now let's run with the requirement. What we have is everybody able to see my screen now. Can we have a quick yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So Capgemini, this is a requirement. Desktop profile in Coimbatore and Noida. So this is a requirement which is for Coimbatore and Noida. So all the interview process will be through online. But if you got selected, you need to go to Coimbatore or Noida as per your convenience. No, whatever you select in your interview, that is the reason you need to go. So, okay, then all the female candidates who is fitting in this criteria need to submit by 1 o'clock. Friday 1 o'clock, you need to submit this Google form. Okay, all the details are given here. So what is the role here? Service desk. The role here is service desk. The location of the position is Coimbatore. You have 70 positions. Noida, you have 40 positions. Okay. Now, for example, you selected Noida and you are having a competition of 400. So there will be a less chance to get into Noida. But if you select both, if you say that recruiter or Capgemini people, I'm okay for any location, then you'll have 110 positions in your hand. The chances of getting the employability or the job will be more higher. Okay, so this is what the location means. So whenever in your interview or whenever you select, you just select that. Okay, so any BCom, BSc, BCA, any 3-year graduate is eligible for this. The grade is here is A3. Salary package is starting from 3 lakhs per annum, which is almost equal to 25,000 per month. And if you work for 1 year, you'll also be getting 25,000 incentive. Okay, so one salary bonus if you work for 1 year with the Capgemini. Please note the incentive will be. Okay, now who is eligible for this 2024 pass out? Any degree of 3 years, only female candidates are eligible. Okay, now what about male candidates? Male candidates, they may give later on or they may not give also, or they may, it is depend upon the requirement which is having by the Capgemini. Currently, this is for female candidates. The title here is software associate. Okay, the candidate should be willing to work for 24/7 shift, must have good communication skills, traveling on onboarding candidates should be there. Location is Coimbatore, Noida. As per the CG guidelines, you need to work from the office. Okay, the candidates is ready to join immediately mentioned in the location. Physical onboarding is compulsory required. The candidate choose the performance while registration still relocate the location. Okay, the candidate will fulfill the mentioned requirement can apply for job, not compulsory. Any 3-year graduate, any 3-year graduate, any 3-year graduate is eligible for this. So what are the rounds of interview? The rounds of interview are, sorry, the rounds of interview are candidate should be clearing the online test, which will be in English, and you'll have also a HR round. So domain round and 2 HR rounds will be there, or 1 HR round will be there. It depends upon the availability of the HR in the Capgemini. So by you can think 2 rounds or 3 rounds. Okay, as you are coming from EduBridge, you are having these 2 or 3 rounds. If you directly go from the outside, you'll have 7 to 8 rounds. So you are having 5 rounds, very less with the EduBridge student. Okay, so see here 21, 22 graduates should not be admitted in the masters. Okay, anyway, this will not be eligible. So I'm just saying, if you are doing PG, if you are saying that you are updating PG, you are completing PG by 2026, then you will not be eligible. But you should only mention that you are completing your 2024 under graduation. Okay, right. Please communicate to all. All the points should be very clear to this. Okay, mode of interview is online or virtual. Interviews are superset platform. 2 assessments plus 2 interview, which is called domain round and HR round. Candidates who clear the first round will go to the second round, and this is the deadline you need to fill by 1 o'clock. So you write your batch code. You know what is your batch code? You're studying an EduBridge student. Okay. If you want to check where is the batch code, then you need to go for the learner portal. I'll just show you the learner portal, EduBridge. Everybody need to go for EduBridge. Then you need to go for sign up, sign up. Then you need to go for login. Then you need to enter your user ID and password. I think everybody will have your user ID and password after entering into this login. After login, then you need to go for my courses. In the my courses, you can see in the left side, you can see the enrollment number. You can see the enrollment number here, and in the right side, you can see the batch number. So this two details are required to fill this particular Google form. So batch code you have got, how you have got, everybody knows it. Name of the student you know, contact number you know. Give the contact number which you are used in the EduBridge, so that now we'll cross check it and that should be active. You can also mention alternate contact number if this number is having any difficulty. Email ID, please use the email ID whatever you used in the EduBridge, that only email ID you have to use. What is the name of the course you have taken? Like, what is the course you have taken. If you know start date, please enter the start date. If you know enter the end date also. Okay. If you know, please enter it. Male or female, please enter it. Any disability, yes or no. What is your qualification? If some degrees are not mentioned, please you select third degree or fourth degree, whatever it is. Pass out here. Only 2024 is eligible. What is your current city? If you are in Hyderabad, write Hyderabad. If you are in Kolkata, write Kolkata. If you are in Bangalore, write Bangalore. What is your current state? I think you know. If you have any other certifications, you write certification or you write NA not applicable or hyphen or no. Do you have any work experience? Yes or no? It will be always no. Number of years experience is 0. I think enrollment number I just showed you where it will be available. You need to go here and then check this enrollment number and enter this enrollment number. And then superset ID. I already know said how to create the superset ID. So you need to create a superset ID and write the number here. Superset email ID we require. Rotation shift yes or no, ready rule yes or no. Which location you wanted to take, Coimbatore or Noida, or both the location. Just select whatever you want. Okay. Then have you applied Capgemini, written any exam, or you're in the cooling period? Yes or no? Then submit this. That application will come to me. When it is coming to me, I will nominate to the Capgemini people. Now what is happening is like we will nominate to the Capgemini people. Capgemini people may scrutinize the details, and if they found that everything is valid, they will give you a chance to go for and start applying. Where you will get this application, we'll update you in the WhatsApp group that this will be updated in the Superset account. You need to go to the Superset account and then you can see that particular requirement which will be under the name of this service text or it will be the name of software associate. Okay, so you need to go there and start applying from there. Okay, this details will be updated in the WhatsApp group. I think I'm done with my thing. Do you have any queries currently? Do you have any queries currently? Do you have any queries? So graduates are eligible for this job? Yes, graduates are eligible, but graduate should be from 3-year degree. I think BA, BBA, BCom, BSc, any 3-year degree should be eligible from 2024 pass out only, and only female candidates are eligible for this particular requirement. Maybe in future you may get other requirements also, but for this requirement, only this category learners are eligible. Anything more? Any other queries?
Sir, for associate, senior associate, no. There is a one more vacancy is there, right? Software associate. For that also, these 3 years only eligible.
Yes, they have
It
given
is for
job.
the
See,
IT or non-IT.
the role is service desk, but the job title is software associate. Okay, so
Hmm.
you are from Telangana and you stay in Hyderabad. So that is a different difference. Okay, you are from India and you are from Karnataka.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
So job role is service desk, but job title is software associate.
Okay.
So both are equal in this particular requirement. Yes. Any other?
And sir, one more thing.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, one more thing. The eligible passed out year it's 24, 23, 24 or only 24?
2024. You should have
2024.
2024 printed on your document. If it is there,
Oh.
then you are eligible.
Okay, sir. Fine.
Yes. 2024 means everybody will have their documents ready. So they
Mhm.
require all the documents which are eligible. Sir, I did not get final memo. So till whatever memos you have uploaded, final memo you can get it up. I think by this time everybody should have, maybe in 100, one or two may not have. Let's see, we will talk about that. But you need to apply for this. And when will be the exam? Exam could be there between for third week or for second or third week of this April, and you'll have online interview face to face, through online. That will be in the fourth to first week of May, and then you may have joining by the end of 15th of May, or end of month of May. We could not know, but you should be ready for everything. If you're doing any job also, uh, you do not say that I'm doing a job, then they'll not give you, but you can apply for it because it is a Capgemini requirement. You will be getting salary of 25,000. Okay. So when you get it, when you are doing any job, go for this interview and complete the interview. And when you say that you got selected, when your processing going on, then you apply your notice period for the old company, and make sure that your notice period made clear within 15 to 30 days. Okay. So likewise, you can able to manage it. So this will be a wonderful opportunity for you guys, because in the market there are no jobs in particularly with the other things. So this could be another opportunity for a degree candidate. So please do apply. Yes, any other query from any other learner? Any other query from any other learner?
No, sir.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you for your time for joining on this meeting. I'm just sharing, I'll just get recorded this meeting also, and this meeting will be shared to all the uh, dedicated placement managers. You can just share this recording to them, so that now if anybody is having any query, they can go through this and then complete this. Yes. So thanks all. I expect that nobody is
Thank,
having query, and I'm just
thank you,
closing
sir.
this meeting. Good day.